Good morning, students. Class 6 English Grammar, Chapter 11 Conjunctions. Now, in our previous video, we read about the types of conjunction. The first one was coordinating conjunctions, and we solved two exercises related to it. Now, today we'll move on to the second type, that is subordinating conjunctions. Let us read the sentences. He did not go to school because he was ill. I reached home after the guest had arrived. The highlighted words in these examples join two clauses. यानी जो दो clauses हैं यहाँ पे इन्हें join कर रहा है ये highlighted word. Are all these clauses independent clauses? अगर हम इस highlighted word को remove करते हैं तो क्या ये दोनों important clauses हैं? Let us read carefully once more. The clauses following the highlighted words are dependent on subordinate clause. यानी जो clause followed है by this highlighted word are dependent on the subordinate clause. So we see that words because and after are conjunctions joining a main clause and a dependent clause. These words are called subordinating conjunctions. यानी यहाँ पे ये दो क्लॉजेस एक दूसरे पे डिपेंडेंट हैं. Conjunctions that join a dependent clause to the main clause, or we can say the independent clause, are called subordinating conjunctions. Now यहाँ पे जो डिपेंडेंट है वो है फर्स्ट वाला क्लॉज और जिस पे डिपेंडेंट है वो है सेकेंड क्लॉज. दैट मीन्स द सबऑर्डिनेटिंग क्लॉज इज ही वॉज इल, द गेस्ट हैड अराइव्ड. Because, since, after, although, when, if, until, while, and unless are some subordinating conjunctions. Now, let's solve this exercise. Choose the correct subordinating conjunctions to fill in the blanks. Now, in each sentence, we have a choice of subordinating conjunction which we have to choose and place it in the blank. Since I live here, I decided to गेट सम रिपेयर्स डन. क्योंकि मैं यहाँ रहता हूँ तो मैंने सोचा कि कुछ रिपेयरिंग करवाई जाए घर की. आंसर द क्वेश्चन बिफोर यू सिट डाउन. बैठने से पहले क्वेश्चन का आंसर देना है. आई मेट हर व्हेन आई वेंट ऑन अ ट्रिप टू जयपुर. मैं जब जयपुर गया था ट्रिप पे तब मैं उनसे मिला था. व्हेन द रेन स्टॉप द सन शोन ब्राइटली. बारिश रुकने के बाद सन बहुत ब्राइटली शाइन करने लगा. Unless you get permission, you cannot leave the room. जब तक परमिशन नहीं मिलती है आप ये रूम छोड़कर नहीं जाएंगे. The car slowed down as the driver saw the police. कार स्लो डाउन हो गई जैसे ही ड्राइवर ने पुलिस को देखा. The students kept quiet because there was no teacher in the class. ना यहाँ पे जो subordinating clause है that is because. The children agreed to clear the room whenever the party was over. बच्चों ने अग्री किया कि जब भी पार्टी फिनिश होगी ओवर हो जाएगी हम रूम को क्लीन कर देंगे. The next exercise is rewrite these sentences in your notebook using appropriate subordinating conjunctions from the help box. You may use a conjunction more than once. One has been done for you. Now here we have 10 sentences. And we have to rewrite these sentences in our notebook using the appropriate subordinating conjunction which are given in the box here. I did not go to school, I was late. Since I was late, I did not go to school. I cannot go out of bed, I am too tired. I cannot go out of bed because I am too tired. My dog was sleeping as he was not feeling well. Work hard as you will finish the project on time. Unless you finish your homework, you cannot watch the film. When Dr. Mehta was having lunch, one of his patients came to visit him. The children were playing soccer when the fire alarm rang. Although they made plans to watch a film, they did not get tickets. यानी उन्होंने प्लान बनाया मूवी देखने का बट टिकट्स परचेज नहीं की. The bell rang. As the bell rang, the teacher took the paper from the student. Although Rohit completed his model, he did not submit it to the teacher. So you can see I have put a slash wherever we need to add up this the subordinating conjunctions as per the sentence. So even this exercise you have to do it in your fair notebook as you did the previous one related to the coordinating conjunctions. So give a thorough reading to the chapter till here, and if you have any queries regarding the content, let me know in the feedback in our WhatsApp group. Till then, thank you class.